Tuplo Studio offers options to help calculate taxes when selling online and in-store. First, log into your Tuplo account and select the Preferences section. Then, navigate to Sales Tax and activate the checkbox. Once activated, Tuplo Basic acts as your default option, and you can begin adjusting your in-store and web tax rates. To apply in-store tax items, toggle the switch on and enter a title for the tax item. Then, enter a percentage into the field and click the plus button. Additional items can be added by repeating these steps and removed by clicking the minus button associated with them. For web tax items, toggle the switch to see a list of states and territories. Select from the list by toggling the switches to add taxes to orders that ship to those locations. Total sales and orders are tracked to assist with informed decisions to activate taxes for a location. When finished, click Update Sales Tax to apply your new tax items. While we've made sure to develop this feature thoroughly, we highly recommend using Tuplo Basic in addition to a reliable tax attorney or filing service to guarantee accuracy. In our other videos, you can find additional details about the tax solutions available for small, medium, and enterprise-sized companies in Tuplo Studio.